Hi there, I'm Tiago Monteiro, Honda driver in the WTCR for the team Engstler, and let me introduce you my car. We have a Honda Civic Type R as a base, and it's been prepared to the TCR regulations. We strip everything off. We have to have the car as light as possible. We tune the engine as much as possible as well. We put different dampers, special tires, special brakes, everything very, very efficient. It's actually one of the strongest points of this car, is braking and turning in the corners. The car is very efficient there, and it has a very nice handling and a very strong brake efficiency. Aerodynamics is also important. It's quite good in this car as well. I mean, as you can see, the car is quite smooth with a strong rear wing, which is not exactly, obviously not the same on the road car, but this one gives a lot of downforce for the car to be stabilized. Nothing that is not necessary is in the car anymore. Obviously, we have the weight ballast that we need to keep in, and of course the roll bars that have been implemented for our security, and also to strengthen the car. Our seat position is as much as possible to the rear and to the center in order to try and balance the car as much as possible. So welcome to my office. This is where I spend some good and exciting times, but also a lot of intense and stressful times. And this is how I manage everything. Sorry, obviously we have, I don't know if you can see, but we have the three pedals, which we only use mostly only two, the gas and the brakes, because we use the left foot to brake on these kind of cars. So the clutch is only used to start the race basically. And then we have our steering wheel with a few buttons and the pedal shift. That's how we shift up and down. And a few buttons that you need to have, communicate with the team, neutral of course, the pit lane speed limits, the lights for the others to see us when we arrive, rain lights, wipers, and then different pages that come up on this dashboard, because there's a lot of pages that we can analyze. We can check, for example, temperatures, we can check pressures, we can check lots of things just to see if everything is under control. We all have Goodyear tires obviously, but special rims, lightweight rims, supposed to be very good. So this is my beauty, my beast, my race machine, and of course the famous number 18, which has been with me since 2004, 2005. I hope you enjoy it, and I see you soon.